In this video, we're going to look at what a Pandas series is, how to create a Pandas series, and how to extract a series object from Pandas Dataframe. A Pandas series is a one-dimensional data structure. It's a one-dimensional labeled array. To put it in context, a data frame is a two-dimensional data structure or a two-dimensional labeled array. This can hold any data type like integers, strings, objects, floats, etc. It's like a dictionary and a list combination, where we get the advantages of both the dictionary and the list. What I mean is, like a dictionary's key value pairs, we have labels and values, where you can access the values based on the label. And like a list, the values are stored in order, so we can access the values based on their positions. Again, if we compare it with a NumPy array, it's like a NumPy array but with labels. And finally, every single column of a Pandas data frame is a Pandas series. This is a powerful feature, and we're going to explore more of this in the upcoming videos. How to create a Pandas series? We import pandas as PD. Series 1 is pd.series. This is the method, and you give a list of items. I'm passing a list. So if you look at the type of the series 1, it is a Pandas series. If you want to access the elements from the Pandas series, just give the position, the index. Now we can also give custom labels or custom index. Let's say series 2 is pd.series. I'm giving the values and the index. Now if you want to access the elements, we could give the label inside the bracket notation and we'll get the value, just like a dictionary. So this is how we create a Pandas series from a list and a custom index. Next we'll look at how we could extract a Pandas series from a Pandas data frame. First I'm inputting the libraries, next I'm reading the data and setting the index. These are the columns in the data. I want to create a Pandas series from the GPA overall column. So GPA overall is df.GPA overall. This is a dot notation. Now we could also create Pandas series by using bracket notation. This is the bracket notation of creating a Pandas series from a Pandas data frame. At the head of the series, it's like a data frame. The method is just like data frame method. GPA overall dot head. And similarly, we get the tail of the data series, just like we get the tail of a data frame. Get the index of the series, GPA overall dot index. This is how we get the index of the series. How to select values from the series? We use the bracket notation. So GPA overall 5 will give the first 5 rows. If you want to access it from the ending of the series, then we use -5, the last 5 rows of the series. How to select values using loc accessor, GPA overall loc, and we give the index label here, the 100061. This is the first label. Now we got a scalar value here, but if we want to get a series, we can pass a list of index labels. We can pass more labels and we'll get a series. You can also get a series if you pass a range of values. So GPA overall dot log, I'm passing a range. Now we got a series. Now how to select values using iloc. Now as you know, in loc we pass the labels, and in iloc we pass the row numbers. So GPA overall dot iloc, I'm passing the first row number. Again, if you pass it as a list, we get the series. If you pass a list of values or row numbers, we get the series again. We can also pass a range of values. So these are the different ways of creating a Pandas series from a Pandas data frame and accessing the values in that series using loc and iloc. In the next video, we'll see much more advanced operations of Pandas series. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.